This innovative device takes comfort and convenience to a whole new level, providing a hands-free lighting solution that will revolutionize your reading experience. Designed with book lovers in mind, this LED neck reading light offers a host of features that will make your reading sessions a breeze. The flexible and adjustable arms allow you to position the light exactly where you need it, providing targeted illumination without any glare or shadows. Gone are the days of straining your eyes or awkwardly maneuvering a traditional book light. With this modern marvel, you can immerse yourself in your favorite book with ease. Equipped with energy-efficient LED bulbs, this reading light offers a bright and focused beam of light that is easy on the eyes. You no longer have to worry about disturbing your sleeping partner or relying on a bulky bedside lamp that might not provide the right lighting angle. With the LED neck reading light, you can create your own personal reading nook wherever you go. Not only does this light provide exceptional illumination, but it also offers adjustable brightness settings. Whether you prefer a soft and gentle glow or a brighter light that mimics natural daylight, you can easily adjust the brightness to suit your reading preferences. This flexibility ensures that you can read comfortably in any environment, be it a dimly lit bedroom or a cozy corner of a cafe. One of the standout features of this reading light is its portability and ease of use. The lightweight and flexible neckband make it comfortable to wear for extended periods, allowing you to enjoy your favorite books without any discomfort. Its compact size and foldable design make it incredibly convenient to carry in your bag or even store in your bookshelf when not in use. It's the perfect companion for travelers, students, and anyone who enjoys reading on the go. But that's not all. This LED neck reading light is also rechargeable, eliminating the need for constant battery replacements. With a long-lasting battery life, you can enjoy hours of uninterrupted reading pleasure before needing to recharge. Plus, the USB charging cable makes it incredibly convenient to power up your reading light wherever you are.